evening and welcome to the 21st H&V News Awards.
Right then, we're back in the room, taking a look at the Collaboration of the Year category. The winning project had a strong immediate consumer benefit, making a real positive impact for those in fuel poverty. Who could it be?
And the winner for the Collaboration of the Year award is Husky Heat Pumps, Wellwarm and EMH Homes.
Absolutely amazing. We're shocked to have won.
It's fabulous. It's something, it was the one award that we wanted to win, and it just shows the hard work of all the team that's involved.
But the main benefit was we did a project with these 38 families who have all benefited. They've come out of fuel poverty, they've all got 24-hour heating, EMH Homes, they just wanted to look after every single resident.
We commend EMH Homes, we commend everyone involved because we've looked after people at the consumer side.
We go back constantly, speak to them, that everyone's so happy, the difference it's made on their lives.